Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set up and run C++ program in Visual Studio Code. So first I will be showing you how to download MinGW, which is the C++ compiler, and later let's see how to download VS Code and set it up. So let's get started. First thing, just Google MinGW. We'll be having the official link here. Click it, and here we'll be having the download option, and as you can see we are having these many downloads over here. So just click it. The download will be getting started, just 84 KB in size. Open it, and we'll be having the setup. Here just click on install, and this is going to be the installation directory. If you want to change it, you can just click on continue. This will take some time to set up the installation manager, so be patient. So once it is done, we can simply click on continue. So here make sure that you are checking this base, select mark for installation, and here you are selecting GCC G++. Click this mark for installation. These two are enough, and click on installation and click on apply changes. This will take some time to download, so just be patient. So once it is done, we will be getting all changes were applied successfully. We can simply click on close and close this also. Now if you go to search and type MinGW, we'll be getting this MinGW installation manager. Select open file location, and again right click and select open file location. This is going to be the path where we have installed MinGW on our system. Just click on the first MinGW folder here and go inside bin. Okay, so we must copy this path with the bin folder, and now go to search, type environment. We'll be having the aid the system environment variables. Open it, and here click on environment variables. Under user variables or system variables, select path, click on edit, new, and just paste it. Okay, and select OK everywhere. So now if I go to search and open command prompt and type the command g++ space -- version, we'll be getting the g++ version that we have installed. So we have successfully done this. Next thing is we need to install Visual Studio Code and set it up. First thing, just Google VS Code. We'll be having the official link from code.visualstudio.com. Just click it, and here we are having the download for Windows option. Select this, and the download will be getting started. It is around 119 MB in size, so just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it, and we'll be getting the setup. Just click on I accept the agreement and click on next, and this is going to be the default location where Visual Studio Code is going to get installed. If you don't have space in your local disk C, just change this to local disk D or E. So once you're done fixing the location, just click on next, and this is fine. Next. And here is an important thing. Make sure that you are checking all these checkboxes. Okay, this will be super useful in case if you are directly going to open a file or folder by right clicking on it. Okay, so just click on next, and these are the stuff that's going to happen now. Click on install. So once everything is done, just check launch VS Code and click on finish. So now we need to open a new folder in Visual Studio Code. So go to file, open folder, just go to the location where you want to create a new folder. I'll just go here and create new folder. We can just name it anything and select that folder and click on select folder. That particular folder will be opened. Here we'll be having new file. Click it and just name it anything. I'll just go with new.cpp. That is going to be the C++ extension, and hit enter. That particular file will be getting created, and here we'll be getting a pop-up automatically. It says, do you want to install the recommended C/C++ extension? So this is the official one, so you can simply click on install. This will basically help us with some auto recommendation of the code. And these are the three things that will be getting installed. So now let's just go and create a boilerplate code. So this is the sample code that I have written, just a simple print statement. To increase the font size, just click on this manage icon and click on settings, and here you can simply change the font size to 30 or 40. Now let's see how we can run this. Just click on terminal, new terminal. This will open the terminal in the current path of our folder. So for running this, it's going to be g++ space your file name with the extension, which is going to be new.cpp, and hit enter. This will basically compile our program and create this a.exe executable file. Now to view the output, you can simply type ./a and hit enter. That's it, we are getting the output over here. But this is going to be a tiring process, because if you make any change here, you need to compile again and run it again. So to have a shortcut way for running, go to extensions, and here just search for code runner. Okay, so we'll be having this official extension. This is used for C, C++, Java and so many things, and just look at the number of downloads. Just click on install and trust publisher and install. That's it, it has been installed. Now if I go here and let's say I am making some changes like this, and here to the top we'll be having this run icon, right? Click this drop down, and here we are having run code, Control Alt and N key. So if I click this, our code will be automatically compiled and rerun. So if I change it again and if I run it again, so as you can see, I'm getting the output without even like compiling and viewing the output. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.